do the cat in the hat story in a two-way. One is involving the child and another one with the puppet. So let's start. I have made the cat in the hat in this way. We just take a black paper and small cutout. I cut it and paste it on that, like a cake, book, hat, bow, umbrella, fish pot, milk dish, like that. And like that, I have prepared all the puppets. See, Shelly and I, cat, fish, cat with a fish, cat with a book, cat with a book, cake and fishes, ball, cat with the 3 books, fishes, and he fall down. Something like that I have made. The sun did not shine, it was too bad to play.